Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे English for the grade 6 का यूनिट नंबर 8 and the title is Overpopulation. Communication skills. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पर बेसिकली 2 कैरेक्टर्स हैं, फ़खर एंड कामरान. आप क्लास में से 2 स्टूडेंट्स लेंगे जो कि फ़खर और कामरान का बेसिकली रोल प्ले करेंगे. प्रैक्टिस द डायलॉग बिटवीन 2 फ्रेंड्स फॉर गेटिंग हायर एजुकेशन. हेलो कामरान. हेलो. What are your plans for the future? I want to get higher education. Can you tell me how you may go about this? Yes, why not? After doing BA and B.Ed, I want to join a school as a teacher. I don't want to be dependent financially on my family or so for so many years. Well, that's a good plan. What about your dream of higher education? After getting a job at school, I will do my MA. But you will have to do a lot of hard work. Yes, this may be challenging. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help you with your plans. Ameen. Now, ask the students to work in a small groups and take turns about their future plan. यानी कि आपने इसी रोल प्ले को लेना है और उसमें थोड़ी सी अमेंडमेंट करके अपनी क्लास में से बच्चों को लें और उसको चेंज करें. जैसे कि अपने सब्जेक्ट बदल दें, हायर एजुकेशन की बजाय आप इसमें कुछ और कर दें, बिजनेस कर दें, लेकिन इसी को आपने रोल प्ले करवाना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है answer the following question. What is an ecosystem? All the living and non-living things in an area and the way they affect each other is called an ecosystem. How does overpopulation affect the ecosystem? When there are more people, we need more resources. That is we need more schools, hospital, houses, food, roads, factories. How does the excessive use of natural resources affect the environment? The growing use of these resources due to the growing population will lead to the scarcity of these resources. What are the risks of marine life because of overpopulation? Overpopulation is also affecting the wildlife. As demand for land grows, so does the destruction of natural habitats such as forests. Some scientists warn that if the present trends continue, as many as 50% of the wildlife species will be at the risk of extinction. How does the plastic thrown into the water bodies affect human life? Plastic takes hundreds of years to fully decompose. Some of them break down much quicker into tiny particles, which in turn end up in the seafood we eat. A tick if the statement is true and a cross if the statement is false. It is expected that the world population will increase in future. True. Living and non-living things in an ecosystem do not affect each other. Cross. Population causes depletion of natural resources in overpopulated countries. True. Pakistan is included in the list of overpopulated countries. True. Plastic decomposes easily into small particles and is good for the environment. False. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.